Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. President of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, Dr. Norman Grant, has welcomed the government's commitment to rehabilitate the coffee industry. Dr. Grant told RJR News the country's more than 5,000 coffee farmers and exporters have also embraced the initial $35 million disbursement from the $120 million support package announced by the government. However, he stressed that a far more sustained intervention is required, noting that the sector has suffered losses of about $2.5 billion over the last 4 years. Dr. Grant pointed out that an additional 100,000 boxes of coffee were destroyed due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa, resulting in estimated farm gate losses of $1 billion. Additionally, Dr. Grant explained that the hurricane caused extensive damage to coffee farms, farm roads, and processing routes, adding that these challenges must be addressed in a sustainable manner if the industry is to fully realize its potential in foreign exchange earnings, job creation, and national development. PriceSmart says the opening of 2 new warehouse clubs in Jamaica has been pushed back following disruptions tied to Hurricane Melissa last October. According to the Gleaner, the membership-based retailer told investors on its earnings call to international investors that its 3rd Jamaican location in Montego Bay is now slated for autumn 2026, while the 4th on South Camp Road in Kingston is expected to open in winter. The company had previously targeted to open each store a season earlier. That's about 3 months prior, according to its November annual report. CEO David Price says the company did not anticipate any further delays to its club new openings at this time. For the trading period of January 13, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,888,962 units, representing 15.52% of market sales activities. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 2,040,483 units, representing 10.96% of market sales activities. Innovative Energy Group Limited with 1,983,241 units, representing 10.65% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, energy, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 13, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.56 and buying at $156.77. In the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 52 cents transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.98 and was bought for $113.46. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.71 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.07 and was bought for $209.36. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow, timing, and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, luxury real estate doesn't approve itself at the showing. It's approved months earlier in your credit file. Whether purchasing from abroad, preparing for retirement, or targeting a stretch property, lenders take action on what your credit demonstrates. Control over balances, reliability in payments, thoughtful use of debt, and financial readiness for the next phase of life. Every inquiry, balance, and payment sends a signal. When those signals show planning instead of pressure, lenders respond with confidence, and properties that once seemed out of reach move firmly within range. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.